Hey, sorry the video quit on me. This little guy here was setting on the water neck like that. I think it's supposed to have something in this hole to probably support this plastic spark plug guide right here, but it doesn't, so it serves no function anyways. So I just took it off. There's the bolt that holds it on. It's a 10mm bolt to get that off. Anyways, when you take it off, it gives you a whole lot more room. And there is the hole that the new coolant temperature sensor goes in. And this is the old coolant temperature sensor. And this is the new coolant temperature sensor. I like that a lot better. The old one didn't even have thread tape around it. I used Teflon thread tape to make sure I didn't have any leaks. And it's just a simple 2-pin connector in there that you need to reconnect after you put this in. But it should help our problem with our cooling fan coming on. So that goes in there, and then you just reconnect this at the top. And this is a 19mm bolt, and when you take that piece of metal off of here, you have a lot more room to use the closed end of that 19mm wrench, and I would suggest not tightening it down too much. You definitely don't want to crack that metal there. That's going to be a real headache. So there's a procedure. Hope it helped.